Another example of potential energy can be given using this rubber band and an object like this marker. So when I've kept the marker this way without it stretching the rubber band, the marker or this object has no potential energy, because if I leave the marker, it does not do any work. On the other hand, if I push the marker against the rubber band in such a position, the marker has some potential energy. How do I know that? Well, if I leave the marker, it has the ability to do work. Well, how do I know that? So I can actually take another marker, keep it here. Now if I push the marker against this point at this position, in this position, this marker can do work on that marker. Just watch. See? So when the rubber band was stretched, the rubber band had some potential energy, and so the whole system had some potential energy, which we could see because when we left the marker, it hit the other marker and did some work. So that is another example of potential energy. And potential energy can be thought of as some stored energy. So we don't need markers to show that. Even if I hold this rubber band like this in my little finger, and one rubber band, and I make this kind of a gun. So you might have made this object does not have any kinetic energy, but still it has some stored energy inside this due to its configuration or due to its position, and that stored energy is what we call potential energy. And that potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy if I leave the rubber band from here and it simply flies off. So that is what potential energy means.